This video is very informative for the people who wanna work on eBay. Actually, I'm going to talk about the listing on eBay. There are major 5 steps. First one is title. You must give the title SEO optimized, because of the title will be so much catchy that is the most suitable for your listing, because the title will attract the buyers towards your product. Second important thing is description. Your buyer will decide after reading the description of your product, because of description will tell the buyer what is in it, what is in the product, what are the specifics of the products, what are the important things which are needed by your buyer. That things would be given in the description. Third thing is pictures. You must pay attention towards the pictures, because of you are going to sell pictures, not your product, because of physically you don't have product in your hands, you have pictures. Pictures must be taken in well lit area, and pictures must be with white background, right? Fourth thing is pricing. Your pricing must be competitive, not more than other sellers, not more less than other sellers, must be competitive. Okay. Last thing is postage. You should choose postage which is very fast. Fast postage would be appreciated by your buyers. Okay. Wish you good luck. You should list your products on eBay and enjoy your future. Thank you.